everybody, today we will discuss about data transformation if our data contain negative, zero and positive value. So let's import our data frame, which is in the form of CSV and is located in a desktop, and our name is tr. So the name is tr, so you have to import in this way. And in order to transform, if your data contain the negative, zero as well as positive value, the best approach is to use the YJ. YJ stands for what? Yeo-Jhonson. Yeo-Jhonson is the two scientists that are created this approach. And in the previous tutorial, we tried to see, we seen about different data transformation method like cube root, square root, log method, Taki ladder, as well as the box cox function. Here is the YJ power is the extension of box cox function, and the box cox function is only transformed if your data is positive. But here is the YJ or the Yeo-Jhonson method is help to transform your data if your data contain negative, zero and positive value. So let's import our data, which is in the form of CSV, and it's located in the desktop, and data name is tr. So it is yes, it's imported in this way. Then in order to run the Yeo-Jhonson function, you have to call the package is called car, and if you haven't car, you have to install, and if already have the car, you have to call by mentioning library in car and submit to your RStudio. Let's see our data frame by typing view and tr. Yeah, as you see here, it's contained positive, here is negative, and as well as here is zero. So the best transformation method, the best transformation method to solve if you for this value is the Yeo-Jhonson. So attach our data, and the response variable that are going to be transformed is pH, which stands for planted, and the Shapiro.test is usually used for testing the normality. So type this one and run. And again, it shows highly significant. So significant test means there is no normally distributed population. So you need to transform your data. And again, further, you want if you want to check the normality of your data, you have to type QQ and norm and indicate pH in the parentheses. And as you see here, it's not normally distributed. And again, if you can also fit a line, use your QQ line and indicate the response variable in the parentheses. Yes, it is deviates from the line. Yes, there is no normality. So in order to transform negative, zero and positive value, you have to give any name that you want. Here is WAC, and you have to use the YJ function, which is built in the library in the car package. So you have to type YJ power, and you have to indicate the response variable that are going to be transformed, and you have to also mention lambda is equal to 2, and lambda, which is equal to range between negative 2 and 2, and also the Jacobian adjusted, which is equal to false, is mostly if you mention false, it is advisable. So type this one and run your yes. Let's see our transformers data. Yeah, and again, also you can check the Shapiro.test for further clarification. Instead of pH, the newly transformed data name is WAC. Well, still it is significant. So if it is face such type of condition, you have to increase the power, especially the lambda value. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question regarding to my tutorial, you can address me through my email as well as YouTube comment box. Thank you once again.